Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you two instances where merge courses comes in really handy. So one of them here, as we take a look at this tax parcel we can see we have several vertices here. We actually have 12 on what looks to be a square parcel, and it should be in fact. And this can cause problems when we go to join neighboring parcels. We can end up with some slivers and some gaps and short segments, and it just can create some problems. So this is a situation where it would be advantageous to use the merge courses tool. And since we have this, we're going to go ahead and run the merge courses, and we can make sure to check the box delete original parcels. Otherwise we're going to have duplicate parcels. One thing I really like about this tool is it maintains all of your attributes as it makes the changes. And you can see over here in our table now we just have the 4 segments for this particular parcel. So if we open it up and take a look at it, we can see now we just have the 4 vertices, which is in fact what we were after originally. Another example is, if we cancel out of here, let's look at a second merge courses example of when we can use this. So here we have a situation where we have a parcel fabric point. We can see the dimensions 629 and 629. This parcel here has these split into 2 segments when in fact they should be one long segment for this particular tax parcel. So we're going to select that parcel, and we already have the dimensions added. We are going to go ahead here and merge courses. Then we will see in this particular instance it will in fact merge those lines, and if we create or annotate the dimensions again, we're going to see now in fact it is one dimension there. It's treated as one parcel side. So that's another example where the merge courses tool comes in very handy for us. Thanks for watching today, and best of luck with your parcel fabric editing.